Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Monday 4th of July. And here we are with Solana. Yesterday I did talk about in the previous videos about how you do have some sort of an ascending triangle, which you're really not breaking out of the ascending triangle, but instead you're really failing the ascending triangle right now. By the look of things, you're looking to actually go lower. So here we are with that ascending triangle scenario, and it seems like so far you really try to actually break to the upside right over there, but you still fail, and now you're breaking to the downside. So the technical target should actually be logically down here, the $31.42. Now this is going to be a very quick comment on this one, because if you do come here, I cannot really say you're looking to drop furthermore, but the first thing that you can actually do in order for you to protect yourself from going even way more further down is to put a stop loss at $30.94. And if you start to take out the $30.94, that's going to be bad, because what you're doing is you're taking the lowest part of it to continue lower. And at the moment, yeah, you can actually come down here to 31 levels, and you can even make a double bottom and start to move higher. That's the reason why it's actually a little bit unclear what's going to happen. To move even way more lower is to actually come down to take $30.94, and then that's it. It's going to be a potential free fall to some technical targets to the downside. And I told you, this is going to still be a big resistance moving forward. One touch here, second touch, third touch, support right there, and now you're finding a huge resistance right over there. So it's an area of influence if you look at it that way. And just by that, I'm just going to end the video by saying that this is your next level to drop down to 31.5 and put a stop at 30.94. Take out that stop loss. You're looking to actually go further down and retrace for a bigger retracement to the downside. And that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.